This video will discuss how the Load Helper integrates with VisualAnalysis. Let's get started. The Load Helper Dead and Live Load training video shows how to build a dead and live load database from predefined ASCE 7 dead and live loads or from custom loads that you define. The dead and live loads generated in the standalone Load Helper are saved in a database and can be viewed in the ASCE Load Helper that is integrated within VisualAnalysis. Furthermore, you can add or delete dead and live loads in the ASCE Load Helper in VisualAnalysis, and the changes will be reflected in the standalone Load Helper. Note: dead and live loads that you generate in the Load Helper can only be applied in service cases that have dead load sources and live load sources respectively. To apply a load you defined in the Load Helper to an area, simply select the area, click Apply Area Load, and select the desired ASCE 7 load in the Modify tab of the Project Manager. To apply a load that you defined to a plate, select the plate and click Apply Plate Load and choose the desired ASCE 7 load for the appropriate load case in the dialog box that appears. In a similar manner, you can apply ASCE 7 dead and live loads to members and nodes. For a member load, you will have to specify a tributary width after selecting an ASCE 7 load, since the loads are defined as a pressure. For nodal loads, after selecting an ASCE 7 load, you will have to specify both a tributary width and a tributary height to determine the force of the point load from the defined pressure. In addition to having the ASCE Load Helper for dead and live loads, VisualAnalysis contains a Seismic Load Helper. With this tool, you simply enter the risk category and site information on the left, and the maximum considered earthquake, design spectral response, and seismic design category are calculated on the right. Note: under the site information, you can manually enter in the spectral response parameter SS and S1 and the value for the long period transition, or these values can be automatically generated based on an input latitude and longitude. Upon exiting the helper, the Design Spectral Response Acceleration and the Seismic Design category are updated with the calculated values. Note: additional seismic design criteria and design requirement calculations are available in the standalone Load Helper utility. We hope that you find the features of the Load Helper that are integrated in VisualAnalysis useful. Thanks for watching and have a great day.